If you want to load an ONNX Deep Learning model in Unity for your own game, in this quick tips episode, you will learn how. Keep watching! Hi there! I'm Manuel Gutierrez from thelighthouse.co, and in this quick tips series, I will share snackable videos focusing on just one feature or problem. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe and the bell notification buttons below so you don't miss a thing. Let's start! In a previous video, I showed you how to transform a simple Keras model into ONNX. In this video, I will create a simple Unity game and show you how to load the model and use it. For the complete application, we will have two projects. One using Python for transforming the current Keras model, and another one using C# for loading the model in Unity. Let's create a new Unity project for this. Create some folders for the model, scenes, and scripts. Copy the converted model into the assets/keras/model folder. You will need Barracuda's package installed, so first, go to the package manager and look for Barracuda. If, like me, you are not able to find it, open the project in your code editor inside the package folder. Look for the manifest.json file, then at the end add com.unity.barracuda and a version. This will cause Unity to download and import the package. If you select your ONNX model, it will allow you to configure some properties. You should check that there are no errors or warnings being shown. For this simple model, there shouldn't be any. Let's create a simple UI with a text input that will be used for providing a single input value to the model, and a simple text for showing the returned value from the model. On the hierarchy window, create a game object for the canvas and add a panel with an input text field from Text Mesh Pro to enter a number, which will prompt us to install Text Mesh Pro Essentials and also examples if you like. Rename the new game object to input value. Create another game object of type text for the predicted value label, and a button to trigger the prediction and show its value. Finally, organize the UI. Let's create a Monobehaviour that will take care of controlling the UI, loading the ONNX model, and using it for making predictions. Create a Monobehaviour and edit it in Visual Studio Code. Add a using for TM Pro for Text Mesh Pro, and also one for Barracuda. Add editor fields for the input text, the text output, and the ONNX model. Create variables for the runtime model, the worker, which is the one that will execute the predictions against the model, and the name for the output layer. On the start method, load the model from the assets, create the worker, and get the name for the output layer from the runtime model. Let's create the method for performing the predictions using the model. Try to parse the input value from the UI as an integer and, if successful, assign the value into our number variable. With the using statement, declare a new tensor that will be automatically disposed. Assign the number we've just parsed to it. Start the prediction process and get the output from the model. Finally, assign it to the output prediction text. Inside the onDestroy event function, dispose of the worker object. Go to Unity, drag and drop the new Keras model Monobehaviour into the canvas, scroll down on the inspector until you see it, and drag and drop the input value GameObject into the input value field, the predict value into the output prediction field, and then from the model folder, drag the simple model asset into the Keras model field. On the Predict button, add a listener for the onClick event by clicking on the plus button. Drag the canvas object into it, and from the Keras model Monobehaviour, select the Predict method. Click on Play, type a couple of numbers into the input field, and click the button to get the respective outputs from the model. Awesome! Congratulations and thanks for watching! You can join the free mini course associated with this video by clicking on the link in the description below. Share any comments or suggestions about the series or future topics. And if you like the video, also hit the like button below.